Hey everybody, I'm excited to share this latest feature set and updates to the Localizer lead tool with you. I'm going to do a complete overview of the Localizer leads tool and how you can use it to better your local consulting business or to how to find local business leads online. We've got several options off to the left, and depending on which button you select, you'll get different search results. I'm going to go through what each one of these does. First, we are on the web search. The button is orange, so I'm going to type in the vertical or market that I want to go after. So we're just going to use dentist for this example, and I'm in Phoenix, Arizona, so I'm going to type in Phoenix. With the web search, you can actually go and find relevant businesses anywhere in the world. This will work in Australia, Canada, South Africa, Europe, anywhere, as long as you type in a physical location. You actually type in Phoenix, Arizona, Manchester, United Kingdom, Sydney, Australia, and this will work. I have the option off to the left to do a basic search or an expanded search, and then give me a certain number of leads, 50, 100, or maximum. There's also a checkbox here for mobile site search. What the basic search does is it gives you a quick search where it'll try to grab the email quick on the main homepage of the site. If it does that, great. It'll display it. The expanded search will dig a little bit deeper and go out across the web trying to find the email tied into that business and that web address for you. Number of leads should be self-explanatory. Maximum somewhere between 180 to 400 leads is what I usually get. I know that's a wide number, but it depends on where you actually search. It will go out and try to find the maximum number of leads for you. And then with a mobile site search, I'll check that now and explain that here in just a moment. I'm going to click on search, and the software is built on Adobe Air, so it will work on both a PC and a Mac. And now I'm just going to click on cancel because we got our first set of results here. And you can see that we're able to grab all of the dentists based off a web search result, the company name, address, their web page, their phone number, email address, what they have listed for that business and that URL online, and then the m.domain, .mobi, and WAP columns. So the first 5 are self-explanatory. You'll notice that we've got some good email addresses, we've got some bad email addresses, but you have the ability to sort and delete those throughout the entire process here. And that's basically what they had listed online. You'll notice that our second search result, Western Dental Center here, it looks like they have a no m.dot subdomain, so that basically there's no mobile subdomain and there's no WAP mobile redirect, but it looks like we were able to find a .mobi subdomain, so they may have some version of a mobile website. If you go down to a little bit lower here, you can see that we've got yes across the board, so it looks like this company is definitely optimized for mobile. So that's what we're looking for, that's what the script's looking for in this search. Now let's say that I want to send a specific highly targeted message to these dentists. Well, I can select one, or I can select up to 25 at a time, and I can then send them an email based off of what message I have saved. I can configure my settings with a Yahoo or Gmail account. This is just a sample Gmail account that I use. I enter in my password, and then I can use my SMTP host with either Gmail or Yahoo, set up the SMTP port, which I just use the normal one, and click save. Now I have the ability to send emails up to 25 local businesses at a time. You can basically go in and type email if you want in there, send it to yourself, or you can send it out to up to 25 businesses. Now, the reason why I'm limiting this to 25 is I don't want this to become a big spam machine, so I want you to have highly targeted leads that you're sending these messages to. So you type in your subject and your message, or you just use the saved messages that you already saved, and you can click through and send in one to a specific vertical or one based off of a bad online reputation or their online review. Click on send, and it will show you what emails it has sent and if it was successful or failed through that entire process. This is really cool because you can set up different Gmail addresses, throwaway addresses or Yahoo addresses that you are using for your business that you can mail those out to. You also have the ability to, view their websites by clicking on open their website, or exporting all these items into either a CSV or a TXT file. You can have outsourcers go out and generate several thousand leads for you, export them, get rid of all the duplicates, because this is off the web of real current businesses. This is real-time results, and you can export them and sort them and do whatever you want. Whether you do direct mailing, cold calling, you want to do email blasting, these are highly targeted leads. Next up, we're going to do a places search. So everybody always talks about the dentist market, so we're just going to do that because it's easy. I'm going to type in near our business address because I have a good search result I want to show you in Phoenix, Arizona, and I select the radius. Let's just do within 10 miles. This is tied directly into Google's API. So you're able to go through and sort and get these results very, very quickly because Google's giving them to you based off their API. And we'll go ahead and let them give us the top 20 results. We could have done a mobile site search if we wanted to, and we're going to sort by average rating. And what you notice here are these are the average ratings of these businesses. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 6 businesses that have less than a 4-star rating. Now, I know Google Plus Local just changed and we have the 0 to 3, but the rating of what Google's actually still reporting to us through their API and through their software is based on a 5-point scale. So these guys have bad reputations online. Imagine just clicking on these 4 or 5 businesses, sending them an email, and finding somebody that has an email. So let's find the guys that we were able to grab their email and sending them an email based off their bad online review. Or we can use, for the ones that we were unable to get that email from, they're a cold calling script where we call them up, or maybe we can dig a little bit further, go to their contact form on their webpage, and we send them a highly targeted message based off of their poor reputation online. So there's a lot of different ways that we can grab this data and grab this information and market to these businesses. Another way is, once we've got a business and we want to know everything about them online, I can go in and I can just basically copy paste their phone number. So let's go grab one of the search results. I've got one of them that I've already saved. I'm just going to basically paste in their phone number and click on search. Now what I can do is I can find everywhere this business is listed online, and then find all the reviews for their business that is listed online, wherever their phone number has been placed. I could do name, address, phone number. I can tie in their location, whatever it is. So click on cancel here. I've got over 230 different site locations where their business is listed. You can see a lot of them are on Demand Force, so that means they must have a lot of Demand Force reviews. We've got Phoenix Smiles, Directory Central, Harris Dental, Yipple.biz, and Harris Dental is actually the name of the company. Dr. Oogle, which is a dentist one, they've got 7 reviews on Dr. Oogle alone. AZ Family. So I can go through and export these and sort each and every one of these sites and go and see what these ratings and reviews are saying for this business based off of their citation search, which is really cool that now you have to do is just have their phone number. I would actually recommend typing in their business name, phone number, and address and location to see where their full citation NAP has been listed, their name, address, and phone number. But this is a quick and easy way if you just want to do basically off of a phone number search. This citation search will also tell you, based off their business name and phone number, if they have a Twitter or Facebook account, if they put in their name, address, and phone number for that business. New to this new software release is our Google Plus Local search. This goes out and searches Google Plus Local. So let's just do dentist in Phoenix. Now again, this works anywhere in the world, but I'm just using my location, one of my verticals. I'll click on search. It does take a little bit longer than some of the other searches because it's got to go out and start letting us know all of the data based off of Google Plus Local, but it works relatively quickly, as you can see. And then I'm going to click on cancel here. And you can see that I can sort by rank, number 1 through 8 here. It'll give me as many as I want, up to 50 leads in this case, if they're owner verified or not, which is really cool because in the new Google Plus Local, you'll see that there's a "Is this your business?" with the manage this page button right here. If this is set up, that means that either Google hasn't set them up with their Google Plus Local for business account, or maybe they may not have even claimed their Google Places account yet. So this is wide open for you to start working with these businesses based on Google Plus Local with all the new changes that are out there. Because a lot of these guys don't know that Google updated to Google Plus Local, and we have the ability with this software tool for you to go out and find all the people that have been verified or have not been verified online. You can see that we've got the rank, owner verified or not, number of ratings and reviews right here, other site reviews, their business name, description, address, phone number, email address, their main website, their Google Plus Local listing, categories, and distance from. Now, as Google Plus Local goes through some of these changes, owner verified or not going to be 100% perfect. You're going to have to go through and search because they are making these updates real time. There's nothing any of us can do about that. But this is an extremely powerful option for you to go out and find some highly targeted business clients that may not have claimed it, or they're outside the top 10, or they're looking for to improve their overall ratings and reviews for that business. So there's a lot of cool things that you can do with this tool. The other really great feature that we've just added into this new version is our online listings. This ties into Super Pages, where I can go and I can just type in. I'm just going to use the same one over and over again here for this example. But this works in the US, where you can type in a keyword for any vertical and the location, click on search. Oh, I spelt it wrong, that's why it kicked it back to me. Dentist, Phoenix, click on search. And it does take just a few moments to give you the first results. But what you'll see is that it will kick out all the businesses listed in Super Pages with their zip code, business name, their address, phone number, website, reviews, the ratings on Super Pages, if they have photos and videos, and what their categories are. The really cool thing about this is that as it goes through and grabs this data, you can actually do targeting based off of zip code, and you'll see there's a lot of duplicates on here because Super Pages has a lot of duplicates. So you can be able to sort through certain business names and see where they have multiple locations in a geographic area, because Super Pages will actually give you all of those physical listings that in some cases Google and Yahoo and Bing may not be able to give you that data. So you can see that now I can sort by zip code. I can, I'll put their address off to the right. If I want to send a direct mail piece, I've got their business name, phone number if I want to do cold or warm calling, and then I could view their website, listing URL, the number of reviews on Super Pages, the ratings, photos, videos, and categories. So those are some of the big features and everything that's involved in the new version of the Localizer Leads tool. Remember, you're paying just a one-time fee. You get all the upgrades and changes that we make for life with your one-time purchase. And this is an extremely powerful tool. We use it every day in our business, and I'm looking forward to hearing your success story using it every day in your own business. So take care, and I'd love to hear your results and what you're using the Localizer Leads tool for on our blogs, on our pages, or anywhere that you've seen this video. Take care, and we will talk with you soon. See ya.